In this video, I'm going to go over division of fractions using common denominators as a review. If you want to see the visuals, go back to the other video that has division of fractions using common denominators. Do 1/5 divided by 2/3, and I have 1/5 2/3 at a time, which is hard to do. So what I'm going to do is make a common denominator of 15. And 1/5 equals 3/15, and 2/3 equals 10/15. The next thing I'm going to do is divide across. So I would be doing 3 divided by 10 over 15 divided by 15, which is 1. So instead of doing this step, I'm going to express my 3 divided by 10 as 3 over 10. I can drop the 1 because anything divided by 1 is itself. So therefore, 3/15 divided by 10/15 equals 3/10. So what that would look like, again, I would be doing 3/15 divided by 10/15. Okay, you can technically ignore the denominator and just divide across on your numerator and express it as 3 divided by 10. If I have 7/8 divided by 1/3, I'm going to find a common denominator, which is 24. Okay, we have 27/8 equals 21/24, and 1/3 equals 8/24. I now am going to divide across my numerators, and I get 21 over 8. I don't have to worry about my 24 divided by 24 because that equals 1. And then 8 goes into 21 twice with 5/8 left over. If I have a mixed number, 2 1/4 divided by 2/3, the first thing I need to do is to make 2 1/4 into an improper fraction. When I do that, I get 9/4 divided by 2/3. Now I need to find a common denominator, which will be 12. I get 27/12 divided by 8/12, which is 27 over 8. Again, what I'm doing is I'm dividing and expressing that in fraction form. And then I get 3 3/8. Nice and easy. If I have two mixed numbers, my first step is to, again, make them improper fractions. So I have 21/4 divided by 11/4. I check my denominators. My denominators are the same, so therefore I can divide across my numerators and express it as 21 divided by 11, which is 1 and 10/11. If I have a whole number divided by a fraction, you can use the strategy we'd used in class, or again, if you just want to remember one thing, once again, we can use our common denominators. 7, our whole number, can be expressed as 7 over 1, and now we're going to find our common denominator, which would be 7. So I have 49 divided by 5/7. Divide across my numerators and express it as 49/5, which is 9 4/5.